Greetings, my viewers. Welcome to Cut the Rope Daily, the best overnight challenge of the whole wide world. Today, Stickman, Lava Man, and Purple are going to have the bathroom challenge in space with love.
They said it would never work, but I've done it. Behold!
Dear time travelers, come to space with me, and you will have a good blast of the shampoo formula. Signed, Love. Oh my god, Nom Nom. I love bath and bubbles on the moon. I don't want to go to the moon if I were you, Purple.
Awesome!
Ha 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 ha. What? Purple, you bully? Greetings, my contestants. I'm Fiery Speaker Box from BFDIA, and now I'm here to tell you that today's challenge is a safety dance. And now, if you contestants will boogie, and now let's get this safety dance floor coming. Ready, set, go! All right, you idiots, let's boogie, everybody!
We can dance, everybody look at your hands. We can dance, everybody's taking the chance. Everybody's getting hot, getting wild, getting out of control. Big Daddy's gonna make you scream for more, up and then pump and then boom. Turn up the bass, don't turn up the sound. Sweet, sweet thing, move it. Party people in the house, do it. Like a genie in a bottle, gonna make one wish. Get your name on the top of my mind, speechless.